We're really excited to be out at Fall Line Motorsports with a team from I&D as they install one of the first height adjustable spring kits on their new M4. The height adjustable spring kit is comprised of all new components. The inner sleeves are CNC machined from aluminum to keep weight to an absolute minimum and provide as much clearance as possible for aggressive wheel and tire fitments. Each spring has been created exclusively for the new M3 and M4. The marrying of these two main components creates a seamless ride height adjustment on the new and improved chassis while integrating perfectly with the OE network of sensors and anti-sway bar attachment points. Our involvement with BMW Motorsport on the new M4 GT3 program has allowed us to maximize the improvement of vehicle dynamics while allowing a full retention and proper integration of the OE electronic damper system. With that, we've got a lot of exclusive looks into what goes into development. Having that insider look into what goes into the development of the motorsport products has really helped us step the game up in terms of fit and finish, functionality, and all that stuff comes with being that technical partner with BMW and getting behind the scenes look and exclusive access to the vehicles before they were available. The all-new height adjustable spring system for the M3 and M4 improves the looks and the performance of the new car and offers an incredible stepping stone before making the leap to a full damping adjustable coilover suspension. This makes it an ideal option for those leasing the car or someone who's not yet willing to eliminate their adaptive M suspension. Here's the final result. We're actually really excited with how it turned out. Definitely an OEM Plus kind of look with the Has kit. We've definitely done our best to maintain that M performance feel and BMW ethos that they build into these new M cars. Being able to put your custom touches on the ride height yourself, whether it's with the OE wheels, with a set of aftermarket wheels, the Has kit puts you in control of final look and feel. Huge thank you to the team at Fall Line Motorsports, the team from I&D for bringing me out, and look forward to more updates on I&D's Project M4.